like magic, be like fire.
A great multi-tool is like your best friend, always there when you need help. It makes daily tasks easier, saves time, and keeps you ready for anything. In this video, we'll show you the best must-have multi-tools for everyday carry to stay prepared and confident. All the mentioned product links are in the description. Get comfortable, because here we go. Number 15. OCTO Max. A compact multi-tool with 20 functions, designed to fit easily in your pocket or on a keychain. Made from durable titanium, it includes tools like screwdrivers, hex wrenches, a bottle opener, ruler, and more. It also features a magnetic bit holder, deep pocket clip, and glow-in-the-dark plates. With a removable blade, hidden compartment for spare bits, and corrosion resistance, it's perfect for daily use or outdoor tasks. Weighing just 106 grams, it's a portable and versatile solution for on-the-go repairs. Number 14. Drive Multitool. A versatile 14-in-1 multi-tool designed for tough tasks. It features a full-size center-axis screwdriver for strong torque, spring-loaded pliers with carbide wire cutters, and a 3.25-inch blade for better cutting reach. Additional tools include a pry bar, nail puller, awl, file, ruler, serrated blade, and a magnetic bit driver. Made from durable stainless steel, it weighs 9.5 ounces and comes with a MOLLE-compatible sheath for easy access. Ideal for professionals and outdoor use, it's backed by a lifetime warranty. Number 13. Keychain Multi Tool. Compact and lightweight, a Keychain multi-tool packs over 10 essential tools into a device no larger than your car key. Common functions include screwdrivers, bottle openers, mini blades, hex wrenches, pry bars, and even extras like an LED light or whistle. Made from durable stainless steel or titanium, it resists rust and wear. Weighing under 2 ounces and under 3 inches long, it's perfect for everyday carry, travel, or outdoor use, offering a convenient solution for quick fixes and small tasks. Number 12. Pachy X2 Multi-Tool. Weighing just 44 grams, this lightweight multi-tool is made from durable grade 5 titanium and fits easily in your pocket or gear. It includes a fold-out surgical blade, a multi-size ratcheting wrench, and a magnetic socket for quarter-inch hex bits. Additional tools include a crowbar, bottle opener, straight-edge ruler, and an emergency window breaker or seatbelt cutter. Measuring about 4.25 inches long, it's corrosion-resistant with a stone-washed finish, perfect for quick repairs, survival kits, and everyday carry. Number 11. Lever Gear BitVault. Compact and durable, this multi-tool combines storage with a built-in screwdriver system. Made from anodized aluminum, it holds 6 quarter-inch hex bits in a magnetic socket for quick repairs. A sliding tray stores small essentials like pills, SD cards, or emergency cash, protected by an O-ring seal from water and dust. Weighing only 1 ounce, its slim design fits easily in a pocket or clips to gear. Ideal for cyclists, travelers, and those who need portable tools, it's backed by a lifetime warranty. Number 10. EDC Pry Bar Multi Tool. Designed for strength and simplicity, this compact pry bar multi-tool is built for everyday tasks and tough jobs. Made from titanium or stainless steel, it includes a flat pry tip, screwdrivers, hex wrenches, a bottle opener, box cutter, wire stripper, and ruler. Weighing under 3 ounces and measuring 3 to 4 inches, it fits easily in a pocket or attaches to gear. With corrosion resistance and chamfered edges to reduce snags, it's perfect for tradespeople, DIYers, and EDC enthusiasts. Number 9. Swiss Army Knife. Crafted in Switzerland, this compact multi-tool offers 15 practical functions in a durable red case. It includes stainless steel blades, scissors, a wood saw, can and bottle openers, screwdrivers, a wire stripper, and a corkscrew. Additional features like a reamer, toothpick, tweezers, and keyring make it versatile and portable. Measuring 91 mm when closed and weighing under 100 grams, it's ideal for camping, hiking, or everyday tasks, providing reliable solutions for a variety of needs. Number 8. The Hunt 40. Compact and lightweight. This multi-tool combines 3 essential functions in a durable titanium body. It includes a powerful Cree LED flashlight with adjustable brightness, a refillable wick-style lighter for outdoor use, and a cap that serves as a pry tool, screwdriver, box opener, and staple remover. Measuring just over 71 mm and weighing 28 grams, it's IPX7 waterproof and attaches easily to key rings or gear loops. Perfect for camping, repairs, and daily carry, it's designed for tough conditions. Number 7. Leatherman OHT. Designed for quick access and tough environments, this multi-tool offers 16 essential functions in a rugged stainless steel frame. Its spring-loaded pliers deploy with a flick of the wrist, ideal for one-handed use. Features include replaceable wire cutters, blades, screwdrivers, saw, bottle opener, and more. Each tool locks into place for safety, with handle imprints for easy identification. Weighing 11.4 ounces, it includes a MOLLE-compatible sheath for secure carry, making it perfect for first responders, field operators, and survival situations. Number 6. KS2 Elite D2 Blade. Designed for strength and portability, this 13-in-1 multi-tool features a D2 steel blade with a non-slip G10 handle for durability and a secure grip. It includes essential tools like scissors, a saw, screwdrivers, can and bottle openers, and tweezers, a glass breaker, and a needle threader. All tools lock securely and deploy smoothly with a nail-free button system. Compact at 8.6 cm and 135 grams, it fits easily in pockets or clips to gear, perfect for outdoor tasks, camping, and quick repairs. Number 5. Keyport Pivot. Designed for efficiency, this slim key organizer holds up to 8 keys or small tools in a neat, quiet stack. Its aluminum frame uses a rotating tension screw for security, allowing items to swing out smoothly. You can add extras like USB drives, mini flashlights, or bottle openers. A built-in D-ring and pocket clip offer easy carry options, and its modular design allows for future expansion. Perfect for keeping everyday essentials organized and easily accessible without the bulk. Number 4. Dime 12-in-1. Compact and lightweight, this multi-tool fits on your keychain and offers 12 essential functions in a folding design. It includes spring-loaded pliers, wire cutters, scissors, a fine-edge blade, screwdrivers, tweezers, a file, and more. Crafted from corrosion-resistant stainless steel, it weighs just 2.2 ounces and measures 2.75 inches when folded. Ideal for quick tasks like tightening screws, cutting cords, or opening bottles, it's a practical, portable tool that makes your keyring a versatile, everyday companion. Number 3. Leatherman Free P4. Designed for one-handed use, this multi-tool offers 21 functions, including spring-loaded pliers, knives, scissors, screwdrivers, and a bit driver with included bits. Its stainless steel body features a magnetic locking system for smooth tool deployment and secure handling. Weighing 8.6 ounces and measuring 4.25 inches when closed, it folds butterfly style for easy storage. With a textured handle for a comfortable grip and durable construction, it's perfect for everyday tasks, field repairs, and weekend projects, offering reliable functionality in a compact form. Number 2. Raptor Rescue Multi Tool. Designed for emergency professionals, this multi-tool combines 6 essential functions into a compact, foldable form. It features heavy-duty trauma shears for cutting through clothing, seatbelts, and gear, along with a strap cutter, ring cutter, oxygen tank wrench, carbide glass breaker, and a 5-centimeter ruler. All tools lock securely, and the shears can be separated for cleaning. Made with durable materials, it clips to belts or gear and weighs 240 grams, offering quick access to vital tools in critical situations. Number 1. Pliers PowerPlay. Designed for strength and versatility, this multi-tool offers 18 functions in a compact stainless steel frame. Its gear-driven pliers provide enhanced grip and cutting power, minimizing hand strain. With one-handed access to straight and serrated blades, it's perfect for quick cutting tasks. The tool includes a magnetic bit driver, screwdrivers, wire cutters, openers, scissors, a saw, and more. Tools lock securely for safety, and it comes with a nylon sheath and pocket clip for easy carry, ideal for everyday use and outdoor work. So that's it for now. We hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like, comment, and subscribe for more great content. Thanks for watching.